Okay guys, as you can see, this is a big mistake, okay, in this column footing, right? Because the column is not on the center. The column is not on the center. As you can see, this is not on the center, but it should be. You can see the marking is not correct. Okay, so it should be not do like this. So it's poor work. Okay, it's not okay. So you come to this one. This one is also wrong. It's not okay. Okay, I can't say anything, but you can see this in this video. It's wrong. Okay, it should be on the center, on this side. But this level is wrong. So therefore, this column will become fail after some time. Come to this one. So now you can see this one. Okay, so it's little bit okay from this one. Okay, it's little bit. Okay guys, so look at this one. It's okay. Its marking is 100% right. Okay, come to this one. Yes, it's also. So I've already discussed that total numbers of steel bars used in this column 8 numbers. 2 bars are extra, this one and this one sidebar. Okay, these are extra, and 6 numbers dia is 16 millimeter, and extra bars these two, this one and this one. Okay, this is 12 millimeter.